say that I mean what you mean, I caught you. Get away from a high speed, don't toss. Call you, I'm sorry I lost. Head down, extra, working set off. My phone, look at it.
What the word is, YouTube? I'm back with another video today. I'm about to do a reaction video with little Durk hanging with wolves. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. Like, share, comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. And yeah, we're gonna get right into it. Yeah.
They in my business, they tryna treat me like a menace, they tryna turn me down. You know I'm different, I'm walking around with my skinnies, I'm standing run down. Saying he stayed with that nigga had got off the table, so we had to calm down. Come to the rack with a rat, you think I'm dramatic, them niggas get shot down. Went out of town, they said had a warrant for murder, that shit gotta die down. I'm like, ta-da, nigga had put up his work, that nigga had got out. Can't have no body.
Yes, sir. He's snapping. Y'all know little Durk don't never disappoint.
Can't have no thotty around, cause niggas gon' bail out. When he was ballin', I had to go sit out with him.
Take it back.
They in my business, they tryna treat me like a menace, they tryna turn me down. You know I'm different, I'm walking around with my skinnies, I'm standing run down. Saying he stayed with that nigga had got off the table, so we had to calm down. Come to the rack with a rat, you think I'm dramatic, them niggas get shot down. Went out of.
He said, come to the rack with a rat. You think I'm dramatic? Them niggas get shot down. Hey. Come on, Durk.
They tryna treat me like a menace, they tryna turn me down. You know I'm different, I'm walking around with my skinnies, I'm standing run down. Saying he stayed with that nigga had got off the table, so we had to calm down. Come to the rack with a rat, you think I'm dramatic, them niggas get shot down. Went out of town, that shit had a warrant for murder, that shit gotta die down. I'm like, ta-da, nigga had put up his work, that nigga had got out. Can't have no body around, can't have no thotty around, cause niggas gon' bail out. When he was ballin', I had to go sit out. Wait on my turn before we had fell out. And I was standing my ground, I ain't had nobody around, I'm fighting assault. I had a deadly weapon, I had a Smith & Wesson, but I got caught. I got sand for all my cases.
I think he talking about that case that he just beat in, I believe, 2019. So yeah, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, it sounds like it because he did beat.
Damn well he getting me out. Better do hair and nails, you better go pull off a scam and get me out. On this street shit to a street nigga and that time ain't get caught.
Not pull off a scam to get him out. Hey yo, like, yeah, that's crazy.
I had a best friend with a best friend, she a lesbian, I thought. I got my gas in, I went to the West End, I ain't go to the trunk. Keep it a buck, I was just listen to Gucci and G's, ain't listen to Pump. You a killer, you ride with wolves. Why you tellin' we not into it? Park the car, they gon' jump out the door. Catch you slipping, you get a reward. And they snatching my people for. Got the keys, Alicia Nord. Geek a Addy up hitting the wood. And the cat with the Drake at the door. Wow. Why you tellin' niggas we ain't into it? Why you tellin' niggas we going to war? I don't even know about them boys. Wow. Nah, we ain't tryna squash no wars. We ain't tryna make peace with them boys. Niggas know what they did and they. Wow. Whenever it's war, then you gotta move. You saying your homie, you cut on the news. And I don't even talk, I'm so confused. Wow. You getting indicted from the computer. I don't even talk about no wrongs.
He said you getting indicted in front of computers.
Red in my shoes. Wow.
In
the trenches, you don't get a scholarship. A delivery you sold to the cop or something. You remember you hop in the car with them. Case on hold, you know ain't gon' bother them. On parole on the road with my partner them. When you load, reload, get out of there. He ain't got it, you know that he out of there. Inside the track, it's a red car. No cabin, I'm rapping my ass off. Sipping the phone with my pants off and making.
He do be rapping his ass off, I swear. Y'all know Durk be rapping his ass off.
You feel like a grandpa. You can go have your shootout. When you load, reload, get out of there. He ain't got it, you know that he out of there. Inside the track is a red car. No capping, I'm rapping my ass off. Sipping the four with my pants off and making me feel like a grandpa. You can go have you a shootout, don't mean you a killer cause you ain't gon' land one.
You can go out and shoot out. That don't mean you're a killer cause you ain't gonna land one. Yeah. Stop playing with this.
Nigga be bringing up pushing, be around bushes, I'm gon' land one. Nigga be pussy, bringing up shit they ain't do, that's won't be saying none. In his lap, we ain't told her no handgun. Back in the day with his head in his lap from the Mac, I went to Cancun. I did a report last time I went to court, I took my last room. Hop on the back of the Benji, I'm with some candy. When you be bringing up high speed, you need a red key. I'm the type to hop on the flight with a warrant, you gotta catch me. I'm the type to pop me a pill with an orange juice, don't catch me. Wow. Why you telling niggas we ain't into it? Why you telling niggas we going to war? I don't even know about them boys. Nah, we ain't tryna squash no wars. We ain't tryna make peace with them boys. Niggas know what they did and they whenever it's war, then you gotta move. You saying your homie, you cut on the news. And I don't even talk, I'm so confused. You getting indicted from the computer. I don't even talk about no wrongs. I pay rent, then my shoes.
Yeah, that was Little Durk hanging with wolves. Stop playing with them. I like it. I really do like it for sure. He back. As he should have took a break from that little incident that we all seen. Though the streets needed him for sure. But yeah, like, share, comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Thank you.